What's going on, everybody? TechZone Productions here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do product photography on your iPhone. So, without further talking, let's get into the video. The most important part in product photography is lighting. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or a $3,000 DSLR, if you have poor lighting, your product won't look good. This is why I recommend spending a lot of the budget on lighting. For my lighting setup, I will be using two YN300 Mark III LED lights with color balance set to daylight. These lights were chosen because they had a high CRI of 95 and they were relatively budget friendly. They could also be used in many other applications other than product photography. In front of the lights are cheap diffuser papers from Amazon. They were attached as far away from the light as possible in order to provide the most diffusion. In order to further prevent harsh shadows, these lights were placed very close to the subject because the further away the light source is, the harsher the shadow becomes. For the backdrop of the pictures, I'll be using a white poster paper with the shiny side facing upwards. This was done to provide soft reflections of the light source to all angles of the product. Try to reduce the amount of crease and dust on the paper in order to have a uniform backdrop. A small piece of masking tape can be attached to the bottom edges and the top edge of the paper in order to hold it in place. I use a desk lamp to hold the paper, but you can also use a laptop or a monitor. Now, it's just a matter of positioning your phone correctly and taking a picture. And that's pretty much it. If you follow these instructions correctly, here are some pictures you should be able to get. Anyways, that's it for this episode of TechZone Productions. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time with another video.